In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Microsoft Teams on a Windows PC. Start by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, or just press the Windows key on your keyboard. As soon as the search bar appears, type Microsoft Teams. Say it naturally as you type Microsoft, then Teams. You should see the app show up in the search results. Click Microsoft Teams to open it. Once the app launches, look for the Sign In button. In some cases, if you've used Microsoft apps on this computer before, you may instead see an option that says Create or Use another account. If that appears, click it so you can choose the account you want to use for Teams. Now you'll be asked to enter your email address. Click into the email field and type your email address carefully, making sure there are no spelling mistakes. This is the account you use for Microsoft Teams, whether it's for work, school, or personal use. When that's entered, click Next. After that, Microsoft may ask you to choose between a work account or a personal account if both types are available for that email. If you see that prompt, just pick the option that matches the kind of account you use for Teams. This step helps Microsoft send you to the right sign-in path, so it's completely normal if it appears. Next, Microsoft may send a verification code to your email. If that happens, you can either get the code from your inbox and enter it on the screen, or choose the option below that says use your password instead. If you want to sign in with the code, go check your email, return to the Teams window, and type the code carefully into the box. If you'd rather use your password, click Use Your Password instead. Then enter your password slowly and accurately so there are no missed characters. When you're done, click Sign In. At this point, you may see a prompt that says Use this account everywhere on your device. If you want this Microsoft account connected more broadly across Windows, you can choose Next. If you only want to use it for Microsoft apps like Teams, choose Microsoft Apps Only. Either choice will still let you continue into Teams, so just pick the one that fits your preference. Now, give Teams a moment to finish loading. Depending on your internet connection and your computer speed, it may take a few seconds for your dashboard to appear. Once it loads, you're officially logged in and ready to use Microsoft Teams. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick tip before you go: if Teams doesn't open right away or seems stuck loading, just give it a little time before clicking again. That can help avoid opening extra windows or interrupting the sign-in process.